Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix no such interface supported when opening PNG and JPG image format in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the start icon, you need to do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. So here at the settings, wait until everything is ready for us, okay? So once everything's ready and once everything is settled, proceed it to the left side of your screen and go with apps, which is next to personalization. Click on it. And under the apps tab, you can see different options. Here we need to proceed to installed apps, which contains the uninstall and manage apps on your PC. Click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, here you need to scroll down and look for Microsoft Photos or Photos application. So just have to continue on scrolling down and look for it. So once you have to find it, okay, so here I can see photos under Microsoft Corporation. Just have to click the three dots here aligning on that to see more options and go with advanced options. So you can go with photos or Microsoft Photos, whatever available in your computer. And here you need to scroll down and look for reset. So there are two options here, which are repair and reset. Go with this, okay? Just have to go with repair and this will repair the photo application and the app's data won't be affected and go with reset. Okay, so if this app still isn't working right when you do repair, then go with reset, so the app's data will be deleted. However, it will definitely fix your problem. You just have to finish all of the steps and then close this window, and you need to restart your computer. Okay, then check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.